Alright, so this is the next video. So previously, this is where I left off. I think what I want to do, I want to start off something really simple. I'm going to grab off all of these, the left side ribs, chain, Control G to group it again. I know it seems stupid to regroup it again, but just trust me for a bit. I'm gonna hide it, and then all I'm gonna do is show the spine controllers. I'm gonna show the bones like so, and then I'm gonna show the global controller. No, not the global, the COG. I'm gonna middle mouse drag and whip it down a bit because I keep on grabbing this instead. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm gonna grab all of these controllers, just the controllers for that. Freeze transform one more time just in case you just never know. And basically I grab this, going down the chain, higher number, going down to the lower number, right? So I grab this spine control 5, which is corresponding to spine joint 5, say the name. I'm gonna grab the controller, spine control 5, shift select spine control 4, press P as in Peter, boom. Okay, I grab here, right? Shift select the one below it here, which is spine control 3, press P as in Peter, and you can see it happening. 5, 4, 3. See? Grab number 3, shift select the controller beneath it, press P as in Peter, and there you go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Shift select the above it, or the controller right below it, press P. Hold shift and click. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, 2, 1. Yep. So grab this. You can see it like that. Shift select the controller underneath it. Press P. And there you go. So you have this. And you could test it out by selecting the top, then shift selecting the next one, shift selecting the next one, shift selecting the next one, shift selecting the next one. Press E as in Edward, and boom. And this is how I animate my alphabet characters to have dynamic poses. You grab from the top down, and then do that. Not from the bottom up. If you do it from the bottom up, the chain will do some weird freaking stuff. See? Just grab it from the top down to the origin, and it'll behave normally. Right. Anyway, so I set up that spine. Now I select the spine from the 0, 0 and shift select the COG. Boom. And then Yeah, I'll do that. I'll grab this spine 0, 0, control, shift select the COG. Make sure your COG is sitting flush onto the root joint. Grab this, shift select that, press P as in Peter. Boom. And there you go. Your COG down to your spine 0 controller, spine controller 0, 1, spine controller 0, 2, spine controller 0, 3, spine controller 0, 4, spine controller 0, 0, 5, and there you go. So that one's all set up. That's why I wanted to show that one first, because it's just easier. Press H to hide it. Again, this was for the controllers, different from the joints, but press H just to hide it for now. Less information overload. And then now I'm gonna shift gears a bit. I'm gonna start from the right side of the ribs. Yeah, see, even this one too, all the ribs ordering was thrown out of whack. I'm gonna grab the right rib controller group that I temporarily made, edit, ungroup it, boom. Okay. And even though they're out of order, fine, whatever. I'm gonna grab this, shift select that, right? Because it's, explaining it logically, right? Basically, this is going to be controlled by this, and this is going to be controlled by this, going up a chain, going down the chain to the core. So you grab this controller, shift select that controller, press P as in Peter. Always make sure that your channel box, your values are cleared, right? So like I said, this is why I always do freeze transformations before I start parenting. Every semester, students forget to freeze transform, and I unfortunately have to either tell them to redo it or get unfortunately a lower grade. It's just the way it works. Grab this, shift select that, press P. You'll notice that it shuffles over the move handle. Just be aware of that. Don't let it throw you off. Here it is. See? 3, 2, grab onto 1. Press P. Boom. Crack it open. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Next, grab this, shift select that, press P. See how it's shuffled over? But don't worry, because you could see it here and here. Grab this, shift select that, press P. See how it's shuffled over? You just gotta get used to that. Grab this, shift select that, not the joint, but the controller, press P. Your controllers and your joints should never ever be combined, where they're chucked into here, or here chucked into there. Never ever. Alright, good. Next. This. Shift select that. Press P. Shift select from here, shift select that. Press P. Grab here, shift select that. Press P. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. if I want to, right, so this is 0, rib 7, this is rib 6, so middle mouse click, middle mouse drag it up, not where you see a rectangle, just a dotted line, let go, boom, 7, 6, good, 5, middle mouse drag, and let go, 7, 6, 5, 5, right there, 7, 6, 5, good. Next, I grab this, shift select that, press P, crack it open, 4, 3. Shift select this, press P, crack that open, 4, 3, 2. Shift select that, press P, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. See? Grab this, middle mouse click and drag, so it's underneath rib controller chain 5. Now here we are, rib controller chain 4. Grab this, shift select that, press P, 4 and 3. Shift select this, press P, 4, 3, 2. Shift select that, press P, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab this, middle mouse drag it, carefully chuck it over here, there. Next, I'm gonna grab this, shift select that, press P, 4, 3, shift select this, press P, 4, 3, 2, shift select this, press P, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab this, middle mouse drag it down here. Uh-oh, I dumped it in there. See? Wait, did I? I grab this, middle mouse drag it down to here. So I only see a dotted line. There. Yeah, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good. Slow and steady. Next, at the bottom, this right here. Shift select this controller, press P, crack that open, 3, 2. Shift select this, press P. It's got 3, 2, 1. There. All neatly organized. Okay. Alright, so that's set up. Let me see here. Save this as 03. And then I'm gonna grab the left rib controller, middle mouse drag it down to the bottom, let go. I'm gonna grab the right rib controllers that I just connected, press H to hide it. Left rib controllers, press H to unhide it. Select it, edit, ungroup, bop, there. Anything to help me not get overwhelmed. Anyway, same thing, grab this, Well, first make sure freaking double check the transform so that they're frozen. Grab this, shift select that, press P. Grab this, double check that's that, shift select this, press P. Grab this, double check, check. 3, 2, 1, check. Close it. Grab it, middle mouse drag it till you only see a dotted line, let go. There. Next, grab this, shift select that, press P. Here we are. Shift select this, press P. Grab that from here. You can see it all in here. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Shift select that, press P. Oh yeah, there you go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Next, grab this, shift select that, press P. You can grab it from here. 4, 3. Shift select this, press P. 4, 3, 2. Shift select this, press P. 4, 3, 2, 1. Check. Middle mouse, drag it, dump it carefully over here. There. 7, 6, 5. Nice. Grab this, shift select that, press P. Grab this, like so. See? Oops. You know, I wanna set the bones to reference so I don't move the bones. Alright, so I grab this, shift select this, press P. 4, 3, 2. Shift select that, press P. 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Middle mouse, drag it up to here, let go. Good. Next, grab this, shift select that, press P. Grab it from here, right? Shift select that, press P. Click outside, select this, double check it, 4, 3, 2, check. Shift select that, press P. 4, 3, 2, 1, check. Good. Next, grab this, shift select that, press P. Grab that, zoom in carefully, zoom in, select this, press P. Just remember, you are not messing with the bones right now. You are just organizing and chain linking the controllers, which will correspondingly interact with the bones later. Grab this, shift select this, press P. 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle mouse drag and let go here. I'm only doing this so students can see how things are being organized and that they're supposed to make sense of everything. Alright, next, grab this, shift select that, press P. Grab it from here, hold shift, select that, press P. There you have it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so all of that is done. I'm gonna just unhide these so you can kind of see what's going on. Alright, so far not bad. And then also, that's odd. Oh, there it is. My spine, press H. There, now you can see it. Okay, good. Alright, so that's 20 minutes. So you got the COG, right? You got these. Okay, almost there. Now the only thing left in here right now, I got 20 minutes went through. I'm gonna hide the bones. Okay. Or maybe I shouldn't. Well, because basically what needs to be done is to okay, so front, this chain right here, rib 7 chain, this you know what, I want to hide the left side. Yeah, all the left ones I'm going to press H. Oh, yes, yeah. And then I'm going to grab this, and it has to be parented to the spine, which is here. Hold shift, select the spine, spine control 5, press P. Boom. See, now spine control 5, it's controlling the rib cage. Crack that open. I can grab this, grab that, and then also grab this for the spine, and I can rotate. I can turn. I can do any of that. So the chain hierarchy, it follows and mimics the skeleton chain hierarchy, meaning the chain hierarchy of the controllers are basically mirroring the chain hierarchy of the bones or the joints. That's what's happening. Anyway, next I'm gonna grab this. By the way, this is already connected to the spine, the next chain going down, so don't double parent. It probably won't even let you anyway, but just letting you know. Grab this, shift select that. Oh no, wait, no, I already did that. Yeah, okay, never mind. I'm gonna grab this chain, the rib 6 chain, shift select the corresponding spine joint, press P. Boom. There you have it, see? And then this to that. This to that. And this, yeah. So this, okay, good. So it is gonna, I'm gonna grab this, middle mouse click, middle mouse drag, so that I only see dotted line, and then I'm gonna let go. Boom. So spine control 4, right underneath that is the rib chain. After that is spine control 5 up here. I mean, you don't have to, whomever may be watching this, you don't have to choreograph it exactly. It doesn't break, or it doesn't change the hierarchy order structure, or it's just to show in terms of presentation wise. So it's not necessary, but I just want to show it. Yeah. Okay, anyway, so next one. This chain is this. shift select this, right? Again, shift select this, press P as in Peter, boom. See, it kind of segues. I'm just gonna leave it alone like that for now. So now we have this, check. Next, grab this, now it's down here. Shift select this, right? Because it's connecting to him. Press P, boom. Check. Next, this, shift select its corresponding spine controller, press P, boom. Next, I'm gonna hide the grid. Grab this, which is here, then shift select the controller here, this guy, press P. It's shuffled over, but it doesn't mean anything bad happened, because if I grab this, spine 0 control, everything's selected. Next, grab this, this guy is connecting to here, which is hold shift, which is the COG controller, because it's branching off of the COG controller. Press P, see, and there you have it. Now if I grab this, shift select this, this all the way down the spine, and this, press E as in Edward, see? There you go. So that was like what, 27 minutes, almost done with this part. Only thing left is on the flip side, on the left side, and that's about it. What was this, and this, and this? So this may look confusing, but just leave it alone. Yeah. All right. And even if I had to test it out, this, see? I'll grab this. I wonder, is this guy? Yeah, it is connected. Spine 04. And then inside of that, yep, we have this chain. Yep. What's down here? Or up there is that. Yeah. Yeah, this is already starting to look freaking crazy. I'm gonna just leave this alone. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it like that. So the right side is already done. I'm gonna name this as 04, and then enter. And then the next one is the left side. Yep. And that's it. Or I mean, yeah, the left side is that. Yep. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. Next tutorial, I'm gonna go over this part. Alright, bye.